Yes, students, let us continue with the yesterday's topic. We were doing amazing animals. Yesterday we did habitat, right? Today we are going to do adaptation. First of all, what is the meaning of adaptation? You had done in fourth also. What are adaptations? These are the changes that take place in an organism. Any type of changes, behavioral changes, any body feature changes, any change in feeding habit, such changes that enable the animal to survive, that help the animal to survive in that particular kind of environment. Is that clear? Changes could be any changes, right? Which will help the animal to survive in that particular kind of environment. Now, which type of changes do we consider? Okay, these are adaptations. These changes, they may be in feeding habit. कौन कौन सी चेंजेस होती हैं जो हेल्प करती हैं फीडिंग हैबिट? द चेंजेस मे बी इन बिहेवियर, द चेंजेस मे बी इन बॉडी फीचर्स, right? These changes, they are helping the organism to survive. The changes, they may be there in body organs and their functions. ठीक है जी, ये changes हो सकती हैं in the organism that help the organism to survive, right? So these changes which take place in an organism are known as adaptations. What do we call adaptations? Today in this chapter we will discuss the adaptations of body coverings. Students, in your syllabus, adaptations of animals are there. Which types of adaptations are there? Adaptations are there in body coverings, adaptations in feeding habits, right? Adaptations that you have to do, they are in breathing organs. Breathing organs means organs they are using to breathe, and movement. Movement means how do they move from one place to another. These four types of adaptations are there in your syllabus, right? One by one we have to do all these adaptations. Which adaptations are there? Adaptations of body covering, adaptations of feeding habits, adaptations in breathing organs, and adaptations in movements, right? Body covering क्या होती हैं? What are the body covering? They are the outer covering of body, right? Then come to feeding habit. What do they eat? How do they survive? These are the feeding habits. Then breathing organs, the organs which help them to take in the air. right? Then movements. Movements is how do they move from one place to another, right? These 4 adaptations are there in your syllabus. Is that clear? Today we will be covering body covering. This is our today's topic, body covering. What is the meaning of body covering? What is its function? And which animals have which type of body covering? This we will be doing today. So let us start. Shall I raise this? Hurry up, if you want to note down, you can. It will make it easy for you to learn. Hurry up. Then we will be starting with the body covering. Please lower your hand. In the end, I will be taking the questions. Okay. Let us start with body covering. Body covering. This we have to start now. What is the meaning of body covering? बच्चे, you wear clothes to cover your body, right? To protect yourself from extreme weather conditions. When it is hot, you wear cotton clothes that provide you coolness. When it is cold, you wear woolen clothes. They provide you warmth, right? So, what do animals wear? How do they protect themselves? They do not wear clothes. Nature has provided with them with the natural covering. This natural covering on their body is known as body covering. What do we call it? This natural covering on the body of animal that nature has provided is known as body covering. What is the function of the body covering? What is the function or role of body covering? What function is performed? Number 1. This body covering, it protects them from extreme weather conditions. Right? Whatever work is done by your clothes, in case of animals, body covering is there that is doing that work. It protects animals from extreme weather conditions. For example, polar bear. He lives in a place where there is lot of cold. Do we give him the quilt? No. He is having fur on its body that protects it from that cold. Right? And number 2 function, hard covering protect them from animals. Hard covering, it protects them from enemies. Some animals, they have such a hard outer shell or outer covering on their body that it protects them from enemies. Right? We will be doing this in detail right now. You can write down the role or function of body covering in your notebooks. Otherwise, it is mentioned in your book also. Right? Hurry up. You can note down. After that, we will be doing different body coverings. Different body coverings. चलिए, if it is done, let us move further. Coming to different types of body coverings present in animals. बच्चे, which body coverings are there? You can note down. Animals have these body coverings. Scales, shell, feathers, fur or wool. Animals have these forms of body covering. We will be doing this one by one. In your syllabus, there are scales, shell, feathers, fur or wool. Right? Now let us start with the scales. If you are done with this, let me start with the scale. बच्चे, you might have seen the fish. If you remember, the body covering of fish is like this. What is this that we draw? You remember you draw this always? These are the scales. These are the scales that are present on the body of the fish. Right? These are vector scales. Vector scales. These scales, they prevent the body of fish from getting damaged in water. Right? They protect the body of the fish. So many organisms have different types of scales. Scales are of different types. Like I told you, these are vector scales. Right? In the same way, some other animals, they have dry scales. You remember snake? How do you draw snake? This is a snake, right? If I draw it like this and you draw scales on the body of snake like this, these are dry scales. These are known as dry scales. You know what is the function of these scales on the body of snake? These scales, they help the snake to move. Means different types of snakes, scales, they perform different functions in different organisms. Right? Snake, it removes its scale. It removes its body covering after some time. Shedding of old skin. You might remember in 4th you had done shedding of old skin and replacing it with the new skin is known as molting. Molting. Molting is also done in case of snake. Right? These are different types of scales. eel which is found in water. It does not have any scale on its body. Is that clear? Scales are clear to all? Now coming to the next, shell. Shell. What is a shell? It is a hard outer covering. What is a shell? Hard outer covering that protect the animal. It is a hard outer covering that protect the animal. Example is snail, tortoise, turtle. Do you remember snail? Have you seen? If you remember, the shell of the snail is like this. I will try to draw a small one. This is known as shell. In this, the animal is there. This is the shell of snail. Right? Snail has a body which is jelly-like, very soft body. So, it always keeps its body inside the shell. Whenever it wants to move, it comes out of the shell. Its foot comes out, its body comes out of the shell, and then it moves forward. Right? And this shell, the function of this shell is it protects the organism from enemies. Whenever snail sense any danger, it immediately moves itself towards the inside the shell and is protected. Right? Examples of animals having shell are snail, tortoise and turtle. The image of tortoise is given in your book. You might see there is a hard protective covering that is known as shell. Is this clear? Then let us move to feathers. I am going to erase this. Let us move to number 3, that is feathers. Bache, you know, feathers are present in which organism? Feathers, they are present on the body of birds. Feathers, they are present on the body of birds. You know, feathers are of 3 types. If you remember, we had done this in 3rd standard. There are 3 types of feathers. Flight feathers, body feathers, and down feathers. There are 3 types of feathers. So what are the functions performed by it? Flight feathers help the bird to fly. They help the bird to fly. Body feathers give shape to the body. Body feathers give shape to the body. And down feathers keep the body warm. Down feathers keep the body warm. Is that clear? Down feathers keep the body warm. So over and all, what is the function of feathers in birds? They help the bird to fly. they give shape to the body, and they keep the body of the bird warm. Clear? This body covering of birds is helping them in 3 ways. Which are these 3 ways? They help the bird to fly. They give shape to the body of the bird, and they keep the body warm. Right? Is this clear? Bachche, please lower your hands. One more small topic and then I'll be asking you the questions one by one. Shall I raise this? Next body covering that we have to do is fur. Fur or wool. Number 4. Fur or wool. What is the function of fur or wool? Some animals like sheep, like goat and bears, they have thick fur or wool on their bodies, right? This fur or wool, it protects them from cold or rain. It protects them from cold or rain. Right? In colder areas, this fur or wool is providing them warmth. Right? In the same way, this wool, the hair of the sheep body, wool, it protects the sheep in colder areas, in colder times. When you extract this hair, when you remove this wool from the body of the sheep, you make woolen clothes. Function is same. This fur, it provides you warmth. Clear? So, what we did is, we did body covering, adaptations in body covering. Different animals have different forms of body coverings. Which body coverings are there? There are scales, there are shells, feathers, and wool or fur. Right? Wool or fur. These different body coverings we had done. Now is the question time. Now I am going to take the questions. Yes. First is Arpit. Sorry, it is Arav. Arav. Yes, beta. हाँ बेटे it has different types of body covering, right? It does not have scale, but it has different type of adaptation. Okay, this is what I was saying. Some animals, they have scale on their body that protect them from their body getting damaged, right? But eel, it does not have scales. It has another type of body covering. Its body is of that type that it prevents them from damaging. Is that clear, Arav? Thank you. Next is Kaushlendra. Kaushlendra. Good morning, Kaushlendra. अच्छा, आपको फर और वूल के फंक्शन को 3 पॉइंट्स में क्यों लिखना है? बच्चे, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू आर आस्किंग? अगर 3 मार्क्स में आ गए तो जो भी है आपको वही लिखना है ना, आप ज्यादा थोड़ी लिख दोगे। फर और वूल का फंक्शन सिर्फ इतना ही है दैट इट प्रोवाइड्स वार्मथ टू द एनिमल, राइट? वो चाहे 3 में आए चाहे 5 में आए। ओके? हाँ हाँ। बच्चे, शैल इट प्रोटेक्ट द एनिमल फ्रॉम एनिमीज, राइट?